This lemon feta baked bather is a really delicious and cost-effective fish dish to serve up for the whole family. And you just bung it all in one pan and let the oven do all the work with no intervention. So let's get cooking. So first of all, add 200 grams or 7 ounces of cherry tomatoes that have been sliced in half to a large baking dish. Now sprinkle on a tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch and stir it all together to fully coat the tomatoes. Next, add 2 minced cloves of garlic, 120 ml or half a cup of chicken stock, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh parsley and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Give everything a good mix together. To the dish, add a sliced lemon, 2 tablespoons of drained capers and 200 grams or 7 ounces of crumbled feta. Arrange 4 basa fillets on top. Mix together a teaspoon each of paprika and dried oregano, half a teaspoon each of chili flakes, garlic powder, salt and black pepper. Sprinkle the mixture nice and evenly on top of those basa fillets and then drizzle with a tablespoon of olive oil. Then place in an oven that's been preheated to 200C or 400F for 15 to 20 minutes until that fish is cooked through. Sprinkle with a little fresh parsley and some black pepper and we're ready to serve. And there we go, a beautiful fish dish with lots of lovely sauce and those beautiful Mediterranean flavours. I love to serve this up with some steamed new potatoes, or sometimes I'll serve it up with pasta or rice, or sometimes I'll simply serve it up with a big wedge of crusty bread to soak up that delicious sauce. See you next time.